Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Today's nail art is inspired by one of my favorite shows when I was a kid, Blue's Clues, and it's celebrating its 25th anniversary. I was like 1 year old when the show started, and now I feel so old. Have you guys watched Steve's newest video? Well, I guess you have. By the way, special thanks to my friend Abby for sharing that clip to me. And because of that, I got inspired in doing today's video. Okay, so I'm starting off by applying a base coat on my natural nails. And I'm using a peel-off base coat. Then for my index nail, I'm applying 2 coats of light green shade. This will represent Steve's shirt. After letting it to dry, let's add some darker green stripes. At first, I was thinking of using a striping tape, and I remembered I used a peel-off base coat, so I decided to use a stamping plate instead. You can also freehand paint the stripes if you want. Even if I have a diagonal stripes, let's just use it horizontally. Then I'm removing some of it to make the gap wider, just like Steve's shirt. Then let's paint it. After that, set it aside to dry. Then I'm applying a fast drying top coat onto my nail, leaving it to dry a bit. Then I stamp the design. Now let's remove the excess. And by the way, please ignore the band-aid on my thumbnail. And we're done with it. Let's move on to my middle nail. And I had a bit of a hard time choosing which version of Joe's shirt should I go with. And I chose the orange one. So I'm applying 2 coats of a lighter orange shade on my nail. Then I'm doing the same technique as I did earlier. But now I'm leaving only 2 lines. Then I filled it in. After placing it onto my nail, I freehand painted 3 tiny boxes. And we're done! Now let's move on to my ring nail. This one will be inspired by the shirt of Josh. So I'm applying a light blue as a base. Then I pretty much did the exact same thing as before, so here's the outcome. For my pinky and thumbnail, I'm applying a muted pastel blue shade. Then, I added a shimmer top coat. Then, I'm stamping a blue paw print design for blue. As for my thumbnail, I'm doing a big paw print. I'm using a dotting tool and a blue nail polish. To smoothen it out, I'm using a nail art brush. Now it kinda looks like an inverted heart. Then let's finish the design by adding 4 dots. And we're done! After letting each nail to dry, it's time to apply top coat. And there you guys have it, my Blue's Clues inspired nail art. Of course, it's also inspired by Steve, Joe, and Josh. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!